So, happy Thursday. It's a little bit later in the day. It's 2:25 and I'm just now starting this vlog. I am a multitasker today, y'all. So, I've worked out. I've already eaten lunch, but it's late in the day. I have laundry going. I am in the process. This is for Saturday's video. I'm finishing up Tuesday's video, like editing wise. And then I'm physically vlogging, like 3 videos in one. Who do I think I am? So what am I gonna do today? This is what I'm gonna do for most of the day. I think it's because I didn't really time out my day. So I look like this and I don't feel like I can like go anywhere while I look like this. But I'm excited to see the outcome. I know y'all have seen those videos or those like TikToks where you use the bathrobe and wrap your hair to get heatless curls. So that's what we're doing. We're testing it for Saturday. It's already up, so I'll link it down below. I wanna go to Target later as well because I wanna get some stuff for Saturday's video and I'm filming tomorrow. So I'll do that later. I laid out steaks for dinner. I feel like there was a whole reason that I set you up and started talking to you, and I don't remember what it was at this point. I'll probably just see you at dinner time, show you the steaks. We have a couple baked potatoes that we need to cook as well. So, oh, the clock, that's what it was. Don't judge my outfit. Y'all know I always wrap the blanket around me and I have on like long johns. So Brian ordered us one of these clocks. I'm pretty sure, I think he got it on Amazon. I think that's what the screenshot said that he sent to me. So this is for outside. Y'all know the one we have outside right now doesn't work, but it's really pretty because this matches the table. My dryer just turned off. So we've wanted to get a new one for a long time. How funny is this was like the exciting thing I wanted to show you. I got a new clock, but I feel like you'll always see that one out there behind me and it doesn't work. So hopefully you're just as excited as I am. I'll go out there and show you the other one. Oh, it's hot out here. I'm in like full on long johns. So this is the current one that we have. It's, oh, I thought it was real, like real rock. It's rubber. How did I not know that all those years, y'all? Okay, so this is the old one. It doesn't work. It's been stuck on 4 o'clock. It's not 80 degrees. The humidity, I feel like is more like 90. So we're just gonna put the new one here instead. And here's my hair in all its glory. I hope it works because if it does, that would be perfect. Like the night before I have shoots or I want to film a video, all I did was like spray it with a water bottle because it has to be damp. Wrapped it, you know what I mean? That would be great. Also, little things in life. They cut our grass yesterday. I feel like it looks so much better. Don't you like it? You do, I know. Layla got so sick last night and like threw up on these little rugs that were in the hallway bathroom. She used to get sick pretty often and we realized she needed like a hairball treatment, food, like hard food. So she's, rarely gets sick now, but sometimes she'll eat too fast. Like we give her a can of wet food at night. That room is a mess. Oh my gosh. We'll give her a can of like wet food at night and she just eats too fast and she gets sick. She's enjoying the sunshine in this window. Boo-boos. Kitty, kitty, kitty. So that's what I'm doing right now. Exporting that video, putting this tripod back in the filming room, and I'll see you at dinner. Change of plans for dinner. That's Brian chugging his water in the background. Instead of steaks, we're gonna do fusaklis. Look how foggy it is this morning, y'all. Wow. Happy Friday, by the way. Hi. It's super early. Well, I say it's relative. It's like 7:40. I'm dressed, ready for my workout. We're gonna let Cash play outside for a little bit, do my workout, get to work today. It's Friday. I'm so excited. Ryan is off this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So I've been doing like extra work. I wish I could set you up right there. I've been doing like extra work so that I can be off this weekend too. So today's my last day of filming and editing before Tuesday. And I'm so excited. Oh, I think I figured it out. Also, I've been wearing this power back bra. I think this is the 2nd or 3rd time that I've worn this sports bra. It's this one from Yvette. Yeah, I think this is the 3rd time that I've worn it since last week's vlog, since I tested it. Love it. Absolutely love it. Here's what it looks like from the back, by the way. So anyways, I'm gonna go get my workout on. I am so sore. My legs from Tuesday, oh my gosh, y'all. are still sore. And then yesterday we did upper body, and then I did like I filmed that hair thing I showed you yesterday, and just like holding my arms like this to like put my hair in that thing, oh, it hurt. So I'm happy that today is actually the last day of week 6. I can't believe it's been 6 weeks, but then also I feel like it's been a long time. And this is the after workout done. Ooh, I think because it's like warm outside, it's like humid. I think in my garage it was 74 degrees, which we have a fan and keep the door partially open, but outside it's still 70 and humid. So here we go. This is the after. I'm gonna go and take a shower, wash my hair, get ready, do videos like I've already mentioned. Happy Friday again. I'm so happy it's Friday. I'm just so happy that I've worked so that I can be off until Tuesday. Okay, we had sushi for dinner. I hope you can hear me. I'm sitting in this, we're at Home Depot. So Brian found this pergola, I think is what it's called, that he wants for that grassy area at the back of the pool out back. So he's looking, there he is. He's looking for somebody that works here to see if they can help him figure out if this thing is in stock. It doesn't come with the furniture, just the overhang thing. I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is. Let me back up so you can see. It's this whole thing right here, minus the furniture in the middle. So that's what he wants to get. We have a bunch of lights like this already that he's gonna hang around the perimeter of that once we get it, so it'll look nice back there. And we will put furniture underneath it. I don't think we're gonna do that kind of furniture. I want like a big, like lounge bed or something. I don't know. I'm not feeling like just normal chairs like this. I want something different. Love these outdoor pillows too. How cute are those? We will too get some more cushions for the chairs at the table. And then we want to get some cushions for that storage thingy. Oh, it looks like that right there that we have back there as well. Good morning. Hi. Did you sleep good? Welcome to Tuesday. I am dressed and ready for my workout. I'm just letting Cash go potty. We put the new clock up, so that's the new one, if you've been following along. So over the weekend, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know this. We ended up buying a pergola from Lowe's for the backyard. So I'll put a video here of what it looks like on display. They didn't have any in stock, so we came home and ordered it online, but it's gonna look so nice. Brian wants to redo the backyard into more of like a tropical OASIS type feel. So we got that. We're gonna get some nice furniture to go underneath it. We're pulling up some grass and little pavers to do planters with palm trees and stuff like that. So I think it's gonna look really, really nice. So far we've gotten that pergola, and it's gonna go in that space right back there. It's a little bit wide because that's like it's like a weird diamond-y shape, and the pergola is 10 by 10, so it'll be shifted slightly, but I think it'll still look nice. We can still make it work. The point is, so when someone's here and they still want to hang out, but they don't want to be in the sun, they can sit back there, because like where I'm sitting at this table, I'm still kind of far, and like the speakers for the radio are here, so if you're sitting at this spot, it's hard to like hold a conversation with someone over there. So I'm excited about that. we done? Oh my gosh. We did lower body today. Oh my gosh, the worst part was squats that you hold. So you like, with weights, squat down and hold it for 10 seconds. And then we did 8, 4 times. That's gonna hurt later. Okay, so I'm gonna cool down. I'm just out back with Cash. It is warm today. It was like 78 degrees in the garage. I do have a fan in there, so I'm thinking if we're gonna continue to work out in the garage, it's only gonna get hotter. So I need to get like 2 or 3 more fans, just so that it's like, look how red my face is. So maybe I'll go look one day this week and see about fans. So I'm gonna film, I'm gonna take a shower. I need to wash my hair so bad. And I'm gonna film, I have a trunk club that came in that, y'all, I'm so excited about. So I've only tried one thing on. I added a Skims bralette as an extra into my trunk. And it's, y'all, it's amazing. I don't even know how to describe it to you. I've already worn it 2 or 3 times. Just everyday wear. Oh, it's amazing. So I think that video, you'll see it on Tuesday. I'll go ahead and link the one I have below. I was going to do a video for Skims when they first came out, but it's always sold out. So when I saw the extra, I added it and I was excited. Oh, it's nice, y'all. It's really nice. And it wears great. Like I said, I've worn it several times, so I'll link it down below. But I have that. I have like white, like slouchy jeans is what they call them. I haven't tried them on yet. Like a linen button up. I have a pair of like tan mules. They just did a really good job of sending the neutrals like I want. So I'm going to film that today because I do need to return the box and I need to drop it off at UPS. Okay, I'm testing out my new background. So this is just the wall that's normally here. And I put these shears, we hung them last night. And then I put this little tree here. I have moved box lights right here. And then behind you is the ring light. So I just wanted to change it up a little bit because I just have this like super plain background. I just curled my hair. I need to finger comb it. Anyway, so here's what we look like. So the plan is stand here, talk. I might need to move you back. The cat's sitting right there. But yeah, you can see my full outfit. I need to make sure that's not too far over. Yeah, I think this is what we're gonna do for today's video. And in case you're wondering, this is what I see. Box light, ring light, camera, another box light, cat. I did open the window, just those blinds, so I think it just gives a little bit more light here. This, I need to clean. You know, this is real life. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's about 9:30. I'm headed to a doctor's appointment. I woke up like extra early on my own, which I'm kind of annoyed with because today is like the one day I have to sleep in, and I didn't do that. But so because I was awake early, I was like, you know what, I'll get ready, put makeup on. I didn't, because I remember at the end of the day I have to wear a mask and all people see is like this portion of my face. So yeah, that's not gonna happen unless it's like something I really want to do. But yeah, we're not doing that. So I'm headed to the doctor. My appointment's not until 10:20, but I have new insurance, so I feel like even though I did the online check-in where you put all the information in, I still feel like it's common courtesy to show up a little bit early because you do have like new things that they may need to see or take copies of, that sort of thing. You know how this works. So I'm doing that, and then it looks like we're supposed to have really bad weather today. So the like weather stations say that it's going to be in 2 rounds. So the first one is, I think they said after 12 o'clock. And then the second round is at like 2 a.m. So technically into Thursday. But they're predicting like winds that could cause like long trending. What do you call it? like not just a tornado that like jumps, but like a long, you know, it sits on the ground and moves really fast. So obviously we're going to get thunderstorms, rain, lightning, all that kind of stuff. And then they predict that possibly we could get these tornadoes, which I live in Mobile, if you don't know that already. And I'm like far down South Alabama. So I'm at the very bottom, and I'm just in like that small, like in some forecast models, we're not even included in the bad weather, and then other ones we are. So we're just really far down south, but still I need to go out back. We have an umbrella out there that we opened to see if it was like functional, that I need to take down, like things like that I need to do when I get home before it rains. I brought the garbage can in, like that sort of stuff. Hi, kitty. Where's your sissy? Bubba's. Wanna go potty? It's starting to get windy already. Doctor's appointment went extremely well. So like, I want to say it was like 10 years ago at this point, I discovered I had exercise-induced asthma. And I do exercise often, like throughout my life, y'all know that. So I was always like using an inhaler and stuff, but I haven't been using anything for a while. And so I just wanted to meet with the pulmonologist to make sure that everything was okay. And if it is okay, then we can sort of move past this. And it was confirmed that I have grown out of the asthma. Fingers crossed, knock on wood, all that stuff. Like obviously it can come back. But that just makes me so happy to think that in a year where I had COVID, I also grew out of asthma. I'm just gonna like take a minute outside to just show some gratitude and say thank you to my body, to a higher power. Just, I don't know, it just makes you think like not everybody, especially this past year and so far this year, not everybody gets those moments to just say thank you and to see another day. So it just makes me happy. Okay, I think those two blue potted thingies will be fine. They're heavy. All right. So I need to take this in. I need to remember. And then I need to edit you. So I'm going to head inside, edit this vlog for tomorrow. I know it was relatively short. I pre-edited last night. But I guess it's because I took those 2 days off to hang out with Brian. So that's why it's short. Oh, you're wobbling. Okay, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.